Yo, what's up, everyone? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Invested Minds cryptocurrency YouTube channel. Guys, today I want to discuss a certain pattern on the monthly chart. This scenario, nobody talks of it, but I want to deep dive in it with you guys and explain you why I think this pattern is quite interesting. Um, in front of me is the monthly chart. We have like a very interesting white light here coming up. It was previous support for the 2020 bull market. Here you can see. And now it looks like it is functioning as a resistance right here. Because if you connect all the lows and the closing candle here of the monthly and you just draw it right in front of it, then you can see that this white line could be functioning as resistance. But not at all is this the end of it. We can see a rising wedge pattern. Now we saw in 2019 that the pump from 3K to 14K was a amazing pump to see. A lot of people stepped into it because they didn't want to miss out. And we can see something similar, I think, because this purple box right here is like the measurement of the previous bull market, a potential start of the expansion phase. So what I mean with the expansion phase is the bull market. But what we saw before the expansion phase is a retest of this pump. So we got the first pump from 15.5K to 32K. Then we saw a drop, a consolidation, a RS flip of the 25K. And then what we also saw before the crash, the second crash to 4K in 2019 is a pump. Before it crashed to 4K, it pumped to 13K, 14K. So what I mean with this is we have the first pump from 3K to 14K. Then we had the consolidation, that is maybe this phase. And then we saw again from 6K all the way to 14K a pump, and then a hard extreme dump all the way to the lows. Could this be the same scenario playing out, trapping all the people around this price area of 35K and then seeing a drop to the lows of 20K again, where you also have a CME gap? So for me, it's an interesting situation here. If Bitcoin managed to hold above 32K, that is immensely bullish because the sellers, they are not strong enough to push below a key previous resistance, and that is a big indication that the bull market could be starting even earlier. So for now, we have this white line here, we have this rising wedge coming in right here, and I also talked in my Dutch channel about a Fibonacci retracement level. There we go, the Fibonacci level that I am showing here, guys. So if we zoom in like this, then we can see that Bitcoin have been hitting this very interesting price level. And it is exactly at the Fibonacci level of 3.0.382, which is around this 35K. I didn't draw it perfectly, so let me redraw it a little bit. Here you can see it right now. You see right here, guys, that the both resistance of the 30K level support and the the 0.3082, and the major resistance here of this rising wedge pattern. So for me, I still considering a potential drop to 20k. I think that if Bitcoin holds, we need to go step by step. For now, major resistance. We need confirmation of a bull market flipping 32k into new support. That is what I'm waiting for. And the moment that we see a flip of 32k, the 30k, 32k area from resistance into support, and then we can break the pivot local high here of 35k, then I can say that the bull market has been started, and the next target would be probably this 50k area. A very interesting, yeah, resistance coming in, which is also a very important Fibonacci level of 0.618. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much, guys, for the 1,000 subs. Take care. My name is Crypto Zach. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.